how to get image ID in Roblox. If you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated in this channel. So first, let us go to the create tab, and under the start creating button, go click manage experiences. And after that, we are going to click on the marketplace. After clicking on the marketplace, what we will do next is go to the images section. After that, just click on the image that you have chosen. So I chose this one, and go to the URL of this image and just copy the number here on the URL. So take note that it is just the number that is needed. So go to the Roblox Studio and click on the part button or part option, and after that there will be an item that is going to be added to your creation, and you can also scale this item, and you can control how big it is or how small it is if you can just scale it. And after that, click on the part button here. So we have here the decal option, so that we can put the picture earlier or the image earlier to the object that we have created with the part. So after that, click on the texture option. So in here, the copied number, this is where we will paste it. So after pasting it, we will be able to see the image that we have chosen earlier in the part that we have created in this studio. So I hope this helps, and see you on the next video.